Imagine holding a phone in your hand that feels like it's reading your mind. The Samsung S26 Ultra isn't just about cutting-edge specs, it's packed with hidden features that most users never even notice. I'm going to show you some of these game changers, and trust me, once you see them, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. This isn't just another voice assistant, it's a silent collaborator. The S26 Ultra's hidden AI doesn't just respond, it predicts, adapts, and solves problems before you even ask. I'm showing you how it works right now. For those who treat privacy like a fortress, the S26 Ultra isn't just about, I'm going to show you some of these game changers, and trust me, once you see them you'll never look at your phone the same way again. The S26 Ultra doesn't just have a long battery life, it has hidden tricks to stretch it even further. We're talking about adaptive power management that learns your habits and background optimizations you can tweak yourself. I'll show you how to unlock these features right now. Imagine transforming your S26 Ultra from a sleek device into a reflection of your style, without the usual limitations. We're diving into customization tricks that go beyond default settings, letting you tweak every detail to fit your workflow perfectly. Wait until you see this one, it's so subtle that even tech reviewers miss it.
The Samsung S26 Ultra isn't just built for today, it's engineered to evolve with you. Behind its sleek design, there's a foundation that supports years of updates, making sure your phone stays cutting edge without feeling outdated. I'll show you how this architecture works, and what it means for the features we can expect in